Hello everyone and welcome back to experiment number 7 of compiler lab. So previously I have explained about the program and the algorithm of this experiment. Now we are going to work on the working part of the program. Let's see. Then first enter the number of symbols. Okay, 6, and number of terminals 5. We are taking the input directly from the question, and we will see what's the output. Then enter the number of input symbols, id, then plus, star, open braces, close braces, then dollar. Enter the non-terminals, we can see e dash, t, t dash, and f. Oh, oh. Sorry, I made a mistake. There should be a space here. I'll come back to you. Now see. Now enter the table. Now we are going to enter the table here. Okay, it goes for E, right? Yeah. Enter the table. See, now we can see here T E T dash T E T dash again dash dash E dash. We are going to do dash nothing, and plus T E T E T dash E, and for T we are going to enter F T T dash 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 F T dash dash dash. Okay, for T dash nothing, E F T dash F I D E. So now we have completed the table. Enter the number of symbols in the string. We are going to put at 5, and later we are going to enter the string to verify. Okay, the string to verify id star id star sorry e star id star sorry, this should be plus, right? Plus id. See, now we can see the output. See, now initially the stack was only E was there inside the stack, and the input was ID star ID plus ID dollar, and the output was, then we performed a operation E will produce T E dash. Then after that, what happens that this output is replaced here. Sorry, E from the stack is popped out, and T E dash is popped into the stack, but in reverse order. So we can see the first E dash went inside, then T went inside. Then we again saw the input is the same. Then we again performed the operation, then we again perform the production operation. Then we saw that t produces f t dash. Then in the next line we can see that t is popped out and t dash f is popped in into the stack, and again the input is still the same. Then we go to then we give one more production operation. F produces id. Then what happens is that f is popped out and id is pushed into the stack. Now the input is same, but now we can see this id and id, this first of the input and the top of the stack matches. Then both will be popped out, so no operation is performed. Then we see the in the next step e dash, then t dash. Then it is remaining star id plus id and dollar. Then we perform an operation for t dash. T dash produces star e t dash. Then we can see uh, uh, again t dash is t dash is popped out and see, t dash is popped out and t dash f star is popped into the stack. Then we see that this star matches. If the star matches, we are going to pop that out. When the star matches, okay, it cancel out and it popped out of the stack. Similarly, for towards the last, what happens is that when e dash is see when e dash is present on the last thing, and there is nothing in the input, only dollar is remaining, then e dash produces here e is considered as epsilon, that means it is null value. So when these two matches, so it produces nothing. So later on in the next step we see that the dollar of the stack and the input dollar in the input string is matched and they are popped out. As we can see, the string is accepted. So thank you, and let's this would be the last of it. Thank you.